So a lot of clients suffers from naturally dry and damaged hair if they naturally have a little bit of a kink to the hair. And often what we find with those sort of textures is that it becomes very dehydrated and it tends to look quite frizzy. In the salon, we would use the moisture shampoo and the conditioner. We often use the treatment base with the smooth booster as well. If the hair is slightly finer, we tend to intermix the smooth booster with the moisture conditioner because that's a slightly lighter formulation, so it will smoothen the hair but it doesn't weigh it down. When we have textures that are slightly more coarse and a little bit more wavier as well, we tend to use it with a booster cream. So we use the treatment base of the cream mixed with a smooth booster. So frizzy hair often comes in different sort of variations as well. So someone with sort of natural frizzy hair that's slightly finer density, we tend to use the multitasking cream because that's fantastic to use to really smoothen the cuticle.